simple but remarkably filling meal to get you going. Learn how to make pinto beans, ham, and rice with this quick and easy guide brought to you by recipes.net. In a pot, add the rice and ham, then season with salt and ground black pepper. Pour in the water, cover, and let it cook for 10 minutes. Ensure that the rice is not undercooked. Then, add the pinto beans and mix to combine. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes. Once cooked, garnish with cilantro and serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.